And congratulations, I see your order has just arrived and I am so excited for you to get started washing. But before we begin, can I please just say thank you. Thank you so much for supporting my small business and for your purchase. I have put my heart and my soul into each and every bottle of Blanket Safe, and I am so excited that I get to share this product with other animal and horse lovers throughout the world. So thank you so much. Okay, before you begin washing, I wanted to provide you with a few tips and tricks to help you get the best results possible when using your Blanket Safe. Number one, make sure you're washing your items as soon as you're done using them, whether that's your horse blankets, your saddle pads, or oops, the puppy just had an accident on the dog bed. Wash them right away. Don't wait till the next time you need to use them, and don't wait for those odors to set in to realize that it's time to wash those things. Number two, make sure you're always using cold water. There is no need for hot water when you're using Blanket Safe. Blanket Safe does work best in cold water, and hot water can not only ruin the fabric, but also ruin the waterproofing if those items are treated with a waterproof coating. So never use hot water, always use cold, and it will work best for Blanket Safe. Number three, make sure the size of the washing machine is appropriate for the item you're washing. Just because your heavyweight blanket does fit into your home washing machine, it doesn't mean you should wash it in there. Heavyweight blankets get very heavy when wet, and your home washing machine might not have the water or the power to really scrub those blankets clean. And number four, remember that Blanket Safe can wash almost anything washable. So that's your girths, your saddle pads, your horse blankets, your fly sheets, your back on track sheets. If it's washable, Blanket Safe is safe to use. If you have any questions about items that are washable or not, feel free to contact us at info@blanketsafe.com, and you can always find us on social media on Facebook or Instagram at Blanket Safe. Thank you again so much. I hope you have a wonderful day and have fun washing. Again, if you have questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help. Thanks again.